In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect a Replit project to GitHub. Start by opening your Replit project that you want to connect to GitHub. Before you continue, make sure any recent changes have been saved so the latest version of your project is ready. If you have multiple projects, take a moment to confirm that you're working in the correct one before moving on. Next, add the Integrations tab to your workspace. Look for the small plus icon where your workspace tabs are located. This is the same area where you may already see tabs such as Files or Shell. Click the plus icon, then choose Integrations from the list. This will add the Integrations panel to your project so you can connect it with external services. If your workspace looks a little different, don't worry. The interface can vary slightly depending on updates or your layout. If you don't immediately see the plus icon, try expanding the sidebar or resizing the window until it becomes visible. Once the Integrations panel is open, select GitHub from the list of available services. Click GitHub, and when you're prompted, sign in to your GitHub account. Follow the on-screen sign-in process and allow the requested permissions so Replit can connect with your GitHub account. If you use more than one GitHub account, make sure you're signing in with the account that you want to connect to this particular project. This helps ensure your project is linked to the correct GitHub account from the beginning. After you've completed the sign-in process, your Replit project will be connected to GitHub through the built-in integration. Once the connection is complete, you'll have access to Git-powered workflows directly inside your project. This makes it easier to keep your code organized, maintain a history of changes, and collaborate with teammates while helping everyone stay aligned as the project develops. If the connection doesn't appear immediately after signing in, wait a moment for the workspace to update. If needed, refresh the page and check again. If you still don't see the integrations option, confirm that you're in the correct project. Also, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or third-party cookies, since those can affect the sign-in process. One final thing to keep in mind is to avoid keeping sensitive information directly in your code. Instead, store secrets in environment variables or the appropriate secrets manager rather than hard coding them into your project. And that's all there is to it. Your Replit project is now connected to GitHub using the built-in integration, and you're ready to continue working with your project through the connected Git workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!